Steve here, Shinlanko Productions. I'm gonna see if I can fly this beauty here. I didn't fly it in a long time. Uh-oh, there's a big bird there. I don't want to go by that. Look at the size of that. He's gonna come and snatch this beauty. Let's go by it. See this? Oh, Nelly, look at this. Oh my God. It's just in the wind. Look at this. Nothing. In the wind, just flying, thermal. Oh, Nelly. That was close. Trying to get close to the camera. That's it. Coming in for probably a crash landing, guys. It's in the wind. Maybe not. Beautiful. That was it. Thing lasts forever. Hobbyzone champ. Beauty. Shinlanko out.